Alright guys, I thought I'd make this quick video for you guys so you guys could see the truth. And this is the truth, as you can see here. I just finished the live. And these are the stats that you see. There's really nothing out there that could be more obvious. This over here on the right is the live stream that I just did in YouTube. There was 1 view, 0 total watch time, and all that stuff. And if you check against the stats of the other apps that I used, you will see that the traffic was terrible. The people did not really show, and that is something that happens every time that I do a live stream. In fact, the live stream with my buddy Steve was horrible. He was the only one who actually was in that one, and there's proof. There you have it, and yeah.